Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Facebook chat for your site in Duda. So let's go. First, what you want to do is just click down below in the description on a link. When you're gonna do that, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company and they make widgets, and one of that widgets is Facebook chat. Sign up for free. Now just choose Google or Gmail or just normal account. And then just click login. When you're gonna see login, just let's write here Facebook. And you're gonna see it here, Facebook chat. Let's create a widget. When we have it, you can choose between general, support, sale, booking. And when we have like general here, continue with this template. You can just connect the Facebook here. It's really simple. Then you got like settings, you can change the position, just play around with the style, with the colors, and then just click save. And when you will have it, you will have a code here. But before that, you need to choose a plan. If your site got a lot of views, choose a pro version and get it monthly or basic version, or go with a light version that's like $0 a month, or all applications. I definitely recommend checking the all applications. So let's go to editor. Let's go to settings. Now let's go to header HTML and let's paste the code. Now let's wait. Let's click save. And let's republish, publish on demo store. And let's see it. As you can see down below, we should see right now the Facebook chat. Perfect. So this is how we can add a Facebook chat for your site in Duda. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.